Hello everyone, myself Manish Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the solvents. There are the four types of solvents. They will be discussed briefly here. That is the protophilic solvent, protogenic solvents, and amphoprotic. They are the solvents. Aprotic solvents are the polar aprotic solvents, and non-polar aprotic solvents. First is the protophilic solvents. The word proto means the proton and the philic means the loving. The solvent which accept the proton is called as the protophilic solvent, and they are essentially basic in nature and normally react with the acids to form the solvated proton. Ha plus solutions is the equilibrium to the sol. There are the H positive and A negative examples are the liquid ammonia, that is the NaOH, KOH and NH4OH. Effect of the protophilic solvents on the properties of an acid and base, that is the leveling effect and the differentiating effect. First is the leveling effect. In the leveling solvent, several acids are the completely dissociated and having the same strength. Weak acids are the normally used in the presence of the strongly protophilic solvents. Strong base as their the acidic strength are then enhanced and then become compatible to these of the strong acids. This is known as the leveling effect. In other words, strong protophilic solvents convert weak acids to strong acid is known as the leveling effect. Generally, strong bases are the exert as the leveling solvent for the strong acid as well as the weak acids. Next is the differentiating effect. In the differentiating solvents, several acids are dissociated to different degree and having the different strength. Generally, the weak bases are exert as the differentiating solvent for the strong acid as well as weak acid. Examples are that H2O is act as the differentiating solvent for HF. Next is the protogenic solvent. The word proto means the proton and genic means the generate. The solvent which generate a proton is called the protogenic solvent and they are acidic in nature. Examples are the anhydrous acids such as the HF, H2SO4, HCl, HBr, HClO4, etc. Next, the amphiprotic solvent. These solvent process the both protophilic and the protogenic characteristics. These type of solvents able to donate the proton as well as accept the proton. Example is acetic acid, water, and alcohol. They undergo the dissociation to a very less extent. And the acetic acid is the mostly employed as a solvent for the titration of basic substance, and its concentration and dissociations can be there are the shown in the below: CH3COH, H plus CH3COF. In today's class, I discuss about the various solvents. Thank you for watching.